Hello guys, for today's video, ito na ba sa akin ng lola ko kasi nabidyan niya ako mga pet. Tapos na yun, kasi love po ako ng lola ko na siya ba. Ngayon, i-open natin na. Tapos ito rainbow naman. Tapos ito, ano, pabuso. Yes! Mommy, this part, open this for pink. So, my doll knows. Sinakul. Mommy, pampat.
Later na yan, this one muna.
Tapos ito guys,
This one muna. Show you.
this part is stick bat. This for nails cutter. That's for
Cutics.
cutex nails
Nail
cutter.
polish.
Nail polish. This for pink. This is melody. For melody.
Ito.
Wait lang guys. Natutulungan po ako. Yes! Hi guys! Lalagay tayo cutex pink. Tapos kulay iba. Dito. Yan. Ayan gusto ko. Tapos pipilitin natin i-close.
What's next?
This part, I don't know. Pamsimukan natin.
No, cutics yan.
Cute.
So that's fine.
Cutex. Pero naman, naalala ko yung gusto ko to. Sa purple. Sa wap say honey. Funny. Funny. Pop say mercy. Funny. Guys, ngayon may makeup tayo ng ito lipstick.
Show, here.
Guys, ngayon maglilipstick tayo next. Ayan. Ito, gusto ko yung next ito. Ano to? Pink ba to? Oh, I see. Nice. Mga colors na ito.
Here, look here. Oh, show na here.
Oh, this was other stick. Yes. Mommy, pons ko. Wait lang. This for other lipstick white. Guys, na po kayo makeup gagayan niyo po to tomorrow. Pat nakita niyo po. Bye! Love you!